water.
Look at that. Back to Connecticut to a cold weather. And so we started out with, I have a piece of salmon here. And there's a few pieces of yellowtail here. I couldn't get the solid piece, so I got these. Welcome back. I know I have been away for a while, but due to family matters. But I'm back, and I'm glad you're back too. So today, I'm gonna have some snack, maybe light dinner with my sister. So before she heading back to the East Coast tomorrow to the really, really cold weather. But here actually, it's quite cold, and it's not that common for us here in San Diego to have a cold weather like today. So tonight they're talking about going down to 37 degrees, and that's very cold for the San Diegan. So I got a piece of salmon here. See, it's a big piece. This is already scaled, but I'm just gonna take off the skin and you can slice that. And we're gonna have sashimi, Laotian's version. In addition to the fish, I also have this is served clam. So this is gonna be, so I'll just defrosting it. So this is gonna be just like this, and the gel som or the seafood sauce. My wife just made on that. มื้อแรกนี่เราสิเลี้ยงเอื้อยนิดนึงเพราะว่าเพิ่นสิกลับไปConnecticutแล้วเนาะไปทาง New England พุ่นล่ะเพิ่นสิขี่ไปมื้อเช้าแต่เช้าแล้วก็เลยไปเอาปลาสดเนาะปลาทรายมันแดงแล้วก็ปลา yellowtail แดงกับหอยเนาะหอยเขาเจ้าห้องserve clams so สิเฮ็ดแบบพันปลา Sashimi แต่ว่าสิเฮ็ดเป็นแบบคนลาวเวอร์ชันเนาะจะได้มาเบิ่งนำกันว่าสิแซ่บบ่สิซีมาเบิ่ง So this fish is already been the yellowtail has already been sliced. I couldn't get the solid piece, so I'm just gonna plate that one. ปลาตอนนี้เนาะเขาจะซอยเรียบร้อยหมดละมีแต่ว่าพอเขาจะบ่มีตอนเป็นตอนขายแล้วก็หอยนี่ก็สุกละต้องเกลือเป็นสุกมาละมีแต่ว่าเขาก็ให้มันงามๆชัดงามๆเลยสิบ่ซอยก็ได้อันนี้นะมันพอดีเลยก่อนเป็นคำ so I don't need to slice that served clam I'm just gonna use as a whole and we can wrap the lettuce to it because it's not a big piece so the taste of that served clam it's gonna have a sweet aftertaste to it, and then you can change that out however you like with the wasabi or the hot sauce that we have in gel som. So I'm gonna plate that for that much first. It's kind of hard for you to see when you do it by yourself, but look. Okay. So I'll save a room for the salmon because today it's gonna be just 3 of us: my sister, myself, and my YouTube, the Suksawat YouTube presenter, my wife. Now to cut this, to cut the tuna, pretty much I mean it's no brainer. But let me just show you how it's cut, and then we can plate it. So first we're gonna remove the skin. This is just a small piece, so make sure you feel there's no bone. Right? ที่จะหารูปเบิ่งข้างนอกว่าปลามันมีก้างบ่ถ้ามีก้างก็เอาก้างออกแต่ว่าปลาอยู่นี่เขาจะเอาออกหมดละก้างนะแต่ว่าสิเอานางมันออกก่อนถ้าว่านางมันนี่เฮาสิเอาไว้เฮ็ดกินเฮาไปจืดให้มันกรอบก็ได้แต่ว่ามื้อนี้คือสิเอาทิ่มไปซื่อบ่นั่นล่ะมื้อนี้มีแต่ก็ต้องเข้าแบบสิมันก็ง่ายอยู่และพอดีเห็นบ่ ก่อนสิเลยพอดีเลยเอาตัวใหญ่สิแล้วมันดีอ่ะ Big piece like that would be perfect. This is a $10 knife. This is supposed to be, I don't know, it's Japanese knife. I don't know what they call it. Not a fillet knife, but I sharpen this. I spend a good number of minutes sharpening all my knife, so it's really, really sharp. So it's not how expensive your knife is, it's how good you can sharpen your knife. Okay, now let's see. Start a piece. This will be a perfect piece like that. Now you can do either toward you or away from you when you slice this, so however you're comfortable. Or you can do away from you like this, but one stroke. Is that nice and easy? You can push the knife away from you or come toward you like this. Okay, one piece. Wow, that's pretty big. It's gonna be good. We're gonna warm up the sake to keep us warm a little bit here. Okay, I'm gonna save that piece for a little bit later because I don't want to have too much of the I don't want to make another plate yet. So, and this is my finished product on the plate. Let's see, I'll show you. Okay. Yeah, look at that. Nice, huh? Now, how much I spent for today, including the sake, wasabi, soy sauce, seaweeds, and other things, and two kind of fish, and silk clams. So my bill come out to be about $50. So you can feed. So you can feed 3-4 people easily. So I still have some left, and that will be packaged, and then maybe I'll do that in a later. So let me move that away. Now let's so seaweed. Okay, seaweed. What I will do with seaweed is that I was gonna chop it in 4 pieces. And we use that to wrap the fish, or you can use the lettuce to wrap the fish. So now I bought this seaweed here. It's called adome, and this is a roasted seaweed. So it's your preference. Let's see. Well, this is probably the quickest way. So you got quite a bit of sheets here. Let me take half of that first. And just half. And then half, so that'll make it 4/4. พอดีเนาะตัดเครื่องครับเป็น4 ตอนเลยตัดอีกทีเลยเตะแข้งคนใด I didn't press it out hard enough, but it should be a couple sheets left. And I don't want to put, I'll probably put this separately, not on top of vegetables, so that way it doesn't get soggy. It's more like it. There you have it. Let me finish cleaning this up, and then we can have some food and sake. Now, for you out there who don't know, my sister is here. She is. Okay?
Hi.
Say hi. Okay. And she's flew in for my uncle's service funeral. So she flew in from Connecticut, and she's heading back tomorrow. And take a good look. She looks just like me. She got all my good look for me anyway. So.
I'm his younger sister.
So people think that she's younger than me, but of course she's older than me.
He's a good chef.
Before I start, let's cheer. This is hot sake. I was looking for the sake bottle, but I didn't have it, so my sister is here to cheer with me. When it's hot, it is good.
Good.
and it really bring your blood up to temperature.
Warm your body.
Tell the viewers what you just did there.
I just put a little wasabi in my bowl so I can make the soy sauce to it to dip my wasabi. My sashimi.
So pretty much, if you like, you can have lettuce or seaweed. So I'm gonna start it out with seaweed and a little bit of noodle. Okay. And pick your type of fish you want. So I'm gonna start it out with look at this. This is yellowtail. Okay. Now with that, I have scallion. Cilantro, like that, and of course I like my spicy, so that's a kick. Okay, you don't have to put the whole thing in there, so I'm gonna bite it in half. But wrap it up. Let's see how it is.
Now
Oh.
water.
Look at that. Okay?
That's good.
It's very good. It's fresh.
I never had lava sashimi before.
It's a little bit big bite, but it's worth it. So enjoy with us. So it's just similar to Japanese sashimi. Of course, it's just a fish in soy sauce and wasabi and ginger. But we twist it up a little bit. You add some vegetables in there: cilantro, scallions, lettuce, mint, however you like, and go from there. And the pepper, really good.
And ginger.
So look, that's how she makes them.
I like daikon. I use daikon.
So you say. So that's gonna be quite a bit of bite actually, but hey, no one's watching.
I make it couple bite.
Yeah, let's see.
Like
You
that.
probably that's a big.
I won't put the whole thing in my mouth. I'll bite it in half.
Good? Alright.
Very good.
And of course, the Sukswat channel won't be complete of any clips if you don't see the Nang Ek, not the presenter of the Sukswat channel. And here it is, the Sukswat herself.
สบายดี มาเด้อกินซูชิลาวซูชินำกัน แซ่บหลายพระเอกทรงสุขสวัสดิ์เป็นผู้เฮ็ด แอนกำพักเอื้อยเอามากินนำกันเบิ่งว่าสิเป็นยังไง
Cheers.
Cheers.
See, we were gonna have a coffee mug of each, but that would be a little too much stuff. Nice and light, but it's warm, so which is good. Well, you have all the pepper. I thought you had no pepper.
Nope. Good kind.
Surf clam, it's already cooked and packaged. We just have to defrost it. This is good too.
My first time eating this. Okay. Not that hot.
Do it like this, and it's good, right?
It's nice and fresh.
Yeah, you get better taste. You see like this fish and soy sauce. But for Moy and I, we used to do this a lot.
Yeah.
Take the bite of that, make it taste a lot better. Yeah.
My son was so better.
So now I'm gonna try with the lettuce. Gonna do, yeah. And
That's
this,
not bad.
no, you fine?
Yeah, I never had that before.
Yeah, no, it's good. Give it more time, like I'll make the barbecue shrimp.
Yeah,
It's too cold.
I know. When we come back in May.
Yeah, you do that.
Too big. The tomato gave it different flavor too. And all these vegetables you grow on yourself.
Yeah. It's all organic actually. This is all from my backyard. My phones keep ringing all day today when they go out the picture. But they set off my camera.
Oh, too much.
ไม่ทำมันกินก็คือมันเห็น
Wow.
เห็นเจ้าเลยมันเห็น
I think everybody.
นับเป็น
What you? But let you watching us eat. So I'm gonna sign off from you for this clip. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next clip. Don't forget to subscribe and share. I'll see you. Now, keep in mind, next clip you probably will see it toward the end of Christmas, after Christmas actually. So we're gonna be on the road, so it's gonna be fun and adventurous trip. So stay tuned. See you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.